Hi dear friends, how are you all? A very warm welcome to all of you on the channel of Fashion and Styles with Firanas. I hope so everyone is doing well and enjoying a very lovely day. Today I am back again with a very stylish, elegant and a trendy fashion video, and this time we are going to exploring the fashionable blouses for women which are perfect for modern, classy and everyday styles. So blouses have become an essential part of every woman's wardrobe, and in recent fashion trends, blouses are designed to offer the comfort, the elegance, and the versatility all at the same time. From your casual wears to office looks and evening outfits, fashionable blouses are available in a wide variety of cuts, the fabrics, and the designs that suits the woman of all ages in the body shapes and the body types. So dear ladies and girls who want to exploring and who are going to explore the latest 2026 styles fashionable blouses, trust me dear ladies, this video is really going to be helpful and useful for you. You will get more than 100 plus styles and designs of fashionable blouses in my today's video, so must watch video till the end. So first we have the casual and everyday blouses. For daily wears, cotton and the lightweight blouses are the most popular choice for ladies, and simple designs with a round necks, with a v-necks or a button down styles look fresh and comfortable. And the soft colors like pastels, like neutrals and floral prints are trending, which are making these blouses easy to pair with the jeans, with the trousers or the long skirts for your relaxed yet a stylish and elegant look. So next we have elegant and office ready blouses designs. For office or semi-formal wear, structured and elegant blouses are must-have for working ladies, and the fabrics like chiffon and a soft satin give a polished yet a professional appearance. And the minimal prints, solid colors, and a clean cuts work beautifully when you can pair with a tailored pants or pencil skirts, and these are creating a smart and a confident outfit. So we have trendy and statement blouses. Fashion forward blouses with the ruffles, with the puff sleeves, with the wrap designs or subtle embellishments are also very trending in 2026 seasons styles. And these styles add a touch of personality and elegance to your outfit and a look. And these are perfect for your casual outings, for your gatherings or special occasions when you want to look stylish without overdressing. So I hope so you will love these styles, designs and the fashion tips of these fashionable blouses. So must watch video till the end, and do visit on my channel for more fashion inspirations, videos, ideas on daily basis. These are some of the examples of beautiful and fashionable blouses ideas for women that can easily elevate your everyday styles, and I try to best to share with you the top trending styles and designs. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Safira Naz for more trendy fashion inspirations. Stay stylish. See you in my next video. Till then, take good care of yourself.